In today's video, I'm going to show you a very powerful method that you can use to start making hundreds of dollars every single day with CPA marketing. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go over to a CPA network. And there are so many ones out there that you can use. We have the likes of ogads.com and we also have Cpagrip.com. Any of these CPA network is perfect for the strategy that I'm about to show you right now. And now, once you have your account created, all you need to do now, you want to head over to anyworld.com. So once you come over to this website, I'm going to show you how to make YouTube videos like this. As you can see, these people right here, they are just basically using stock images, and this video are stock videos. And don't worry, you are not going to be showing your face. I'm going to show you how to create this type of videos and get thousands of views every single day, and you will be promoting your content local on the channel. All right, so now the first thing you want to do, like I said, you want to create an account with anyworld.com. So once you are on anyworld.com, all you just basically need to do is click on get started for free by clicking on this button right here. So once you have your account created, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. So the next thing you want to do from here, you want to click on this blog wizard. So once you click on that, everything is going to look like this. Now you want to click on this new project. So once you do that, I'm going to be taking one of these videos right here as an example. So I'm going to take this video right here as an example. As you can see, this video has gotten about 190,000 views just in 6 days. So I'm going to click on this video as an example. So as you can see right here, these are just basically stock images, and I'm going to show you how to get these stock images and how you can make this type of videos. All right, so I'm going to be taking the title of this video here as an example. So if I copy this and I go back to anyworld.com, I'm just going to paste in the title of that video right here. So once you type in the title of the video right there, you want to click on next right here, and this tool is going to generate a title for you. So as you can see right here, this tool has generated a very similar title to the one we pasted right here. All right, so basically you can click on any of these title right here. As you can see, the first one says how to never be boring in conversation, and now you can see this one says 7 ways to never be boring in conversation. So I'm just going to click on this right here, and this tool is also going to generate an article for us that we can use to make that video for absolutely free. So I'm going to click on next. As you can see right here, these are the 7 sections for this title right here. So the next thing you want to do from here, you want to just click on next. Basically, you want to click on the first paragraph you see right here. All right, so once you click on that, you want to basically just click on next. So once you do that, you want to click on continue to editor. All right, so as you can see right here, 7 ways to never be boring in conversation. The first way is shake up your routine. So what you want to do from here, you want to just click on this generate. As you can see right here, this tool has generated a write-up for this first point. So you want to repeat the same process for all of these points right here. So basically all I need to do is just click on generate right here, and it's going to generate a write-up for this post right here. So basically that is all you need to do, and you want to repeat the same for all 7 steps. So once you've done that, all you just basically need to do is go over to Google and you want to type in voice recorder right here. And once you do that, you want to click on this first link right here. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page right here where you can voice record this article yourself. All right, or if you don't want to do it yourself, you can head over to Fiverr and you can type in voice over. You are going to see a lot of people who are willing to voice over any video for $5. But I recommend if you are starting out, you do the voice over yourself. So once you have the voice over done, now the final step, you want to head over to Storyblogs and you want to grab stock footages like this that these guys are using on their channel. So basically, for example, this video is talking about confidence. All I just need to do is type in confidence in this search bar right here. As you can see right here, there are a lot of footages that I can download and use for the video. All right, so whatever topic your video is about, all you just need to do is type in the keyword right here and you are going to see a ton of videos that you can download from this website. Or if you don't want to use Storyblocks, you can come over to another website called vidivo.net. So the same thing applies. All you just need to do is enter your keyword in this search bar right here and click on search, and you can download numerous videos for absolutely free. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to come over to Google and type in list of free video editors. So basically this software you are going to use to compile the video, and you want to add the voiceover you just recorded on this website on the video editor, and you want to publish the video. All right, so as you can see right here, the best free video editing software, you can use DaVinci Resolve, ItFilm Express, Apple iMovie, KineMaster, OpenShot, VSDC. So basically you can download any of this free software, and like I said, all you just need to do is add in the footages you downloaded from this website and the voiceover you recorded on this website right here. All right, so basically that is all you need to do, and then you want to go over to your channel, and all you need to do is click on this create right here and upload the video. But you want to go over to idplr.com. So once you come over to idplr.com, you want to look for PLR products that are related to your niche. All right, so basically as you can see right here, this one says speak with confidence. So you just basically want to change this to complete an offer below to continue download, and once they click on this begin download, they have to complete an offer here and you will get paid in your Cpagrip account. So basically that is all you need to do. So basically you can customize this to anyhow you want it. You can even come over here and change the template. You can use any template you like right here. So once you're done, all you just need to do is click on save and grab your content locker link. The same process applies to OG ads. All you just need to do is come over and create a content locker, and you want to redirect the URL to the IDPLR product. So basically you can change this to complete an offer below to download the premium content. So once you've done that, all you just need to do is click on create a locker, and you want to grab the locker link, and once you upload the video to your YouTube channel, then you want to make sure you paste in the link to that video in your description. So just like in this video right here, you can see they are promoting this product right here. So basically all you just need to do is type in download free ebook on how to be confident, and you want to paste in your link right here. Okay, so basically that is how simple it is, and you can repeat the same process for as many videos as you find on this channel right here. All right, so that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any useful information, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.